It's going on, yes? Hello, this is a guy from Northern Eastern Europe, and today I will represent my new product or innovation or something like that. I don't really know. This is very good thing, very good thing. I will explain to you. So there is you see, closer a little bit. There is one can of beer, one pint of the beer from the Northern Eastern Europe, but so at start I will open this and then I will show you and explain these problems and this solving of the problems of the situation. So at the start I need to open the beer. Yes, beer is opened and then I must drink it. In the standard way, you drink beer like that from this shitty metal can like this, and you put it down here, and the wind blows, and the beer is empty, but not by your guts, but by the wind. I open it. You see this new device. I made it from the wood, absolutely eco. I drink beer like that. Watch it closely. Very tasty, but tastier than the standard ways, because I am from Northern Eastern Europe, and the spring is very shitty weather, and the wind blows and the beer goes down, and I today lost two beers of my own, and this is too expensive to lose two beers in the day, and this was very shitty situation, and then I made this thing from the wood, from natural Eastern Northern European wood. Let me explain. You just buy the beer, the cheapest then you can get, maybe not the cheapest, this is your own decision, and put it in here. Yes, and in this box, in this wood-made box, and wind does not blow it away, it still stands here, and you keep your beer safe, and then you drink. And this is not the only one bonus in this situation. Let me drink a little beer. You just not drinking the beer and not only feel the smell of the beer, you can feel the smell of the wood, of 100% natural wood from Northern Eastern European wood. Tomorrow I will make a little bit upgrades here, maybe something like you hold it, like in the bar, you're sitting in the bar. In the bars was problems last 2 years, because bars is expensive, and not only this, and bars is only for this spritzen people. And then I don't like the bars. But when I drink like this, look at this moment. Absolutely delicious. Absolutely. I don't know even the words how explain how it good feels to drink beer like this from this case, from this moment. When you was born in Northern Eastern Europe, you half a Viking by the roots, and when you drink like this, yeah, you can feel like a Viking, or maybe then you can think like a Viking and act like a Viking, or some kind of this. This is by your choice. I don't know. I don't give a fuck. But you can try this. You can try this. Maybe I can make these things a little more, and maybe you can buy these things for me. It's not gonna be cheap. It's not gonna be cheap. Don't think I'm a Jew, but I need to survive too, because we all are living in capitalism. So this is my new invention. Very good beer holding thing for shitty weather, for bad weather, when the wind blows and your beer destroy your beer. Wind just drink your beer. That's not gonna be good for yourself. So I recommend this thing. We gonna get last week wind more than 50 miles per hour, wind speed absolutely storm. I'm feeling like in this Miami things when the wind was blowing very much, and not good for these shitty cans, but this thing can save your beer and maybe can save your life. So think about this. I recommend it.